Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just out taking this project truck for the first test drive now. So we'll start it up and do a walk around. I'm still getting airbag code. So I'll have to go scan that and see what it's doing, but everything else looks pretty good. So I got most of the front end together here, and don't seem to have any leaks or anything. So it's looking pretty good. I had to blend these fenders to the door here, so it's just a little bit off, as you can see. I think you can see it in the video here, but looking pretty good. Here's your interior. So it's a Texas edition, LTZ. So I really like this brown headliner. It's pretty sweet. I got the back bumper off still because I'm going to color match it with the front bumper. 35s on 22x10s. They don't really stick out there. This one's a positive 10, so pretty much flush.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my.
So I had the salvage inspection done about 2 weeks ago now, and took it on a road trip to Revelstoke and back. So far I put about 1,500K on it. So here's a walk around of it. I put the High Country grill in it, and it had the LTZ headlights, and High Country headlights are the same anyways, but you just gotta change this grill, and this fascia is different here on these. And I think this was chrome anyways, but then you had to I put the paint or color match front bumper, which I think it was chrome on this one original, but pretty much the same idea. But it just looks so much better with the High Country grill. But overall it turned out pretty good. I still have yet, I'm not sure, I got to blend these doors, the fender and the doors, because if you can see it's just a little bit off here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the doors off. I'll just scuff this down, scuff the clear coat. I guess I'll have to take the trim off and the mirrors off, but then you just paint with the base coat I use on this. Just paint in, kind of blend it to about here or so, and just fade it in, and then I'll clear coat the whole door, and you won't even be able to tell. It'll just kind of, just how the metallics are laying, it's just such a hard color to match up. So when the panels are side by side, right, you can tell. Well, maybe not so much in the video, but out in the sun you can definitely tell. But the truck didn't have any damage besides that on the rest of it. So I also, here's the rear bumper that I color matched, and this one's got power lift gate. Camera in the bed, or I guess 2 cameras up there. One's for your rear view mirror, and one's so you can look in the bed when you're hooking up. And it does have the 5th wheel hitch, and this one does have heated rear seats, I believe. Yeah, it does. Heated rear seats. It's kind of got like the Texas edition, so it's got like the brown interior. Never actually seen one like this before, so it's pretty nice. I did sandblast and rock guard the running boards because they were chrome before. And there was also an airbag light I was talking about a little earlier, and I forgot to plug in the one plug down in for the seatbelt there, so that's why that was on. But besides that, it passed the inspection no problem. So this one's got surround vision, so close the door here. But just kind of cool. See through the front and the behind it and the side mirrors, and it's got the camera for the rear view mirror, which is kind of trippy, honestly. So this one's got a little bit higher K than I usually like to do, but it's just at about 70,000 K, so 69,000 right now. Does have heads-up display, which that's kind of nice, but we'll pop the hood and take a look under here too. So I did leave it all stock. It's got all the emissions intact and everything too, so but yeah, so here it is. Here's the final product, and it probably will be for sale. I might drive it a little bit more, but if you're interested, send me a message. So thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. I'm working on a 71 C10 and also a rebuild on a Blazer, which I just bought another one today. So we're gonna make one Blazer out of two. So I bought a rear end smash one that I'll show on the next video, and then I'm gonna use the parts off the rear end smash one to fix the front end smash one, I guess. So we'll make one out of two, because all the airbags and everything are popped on the front end smash, and all the airbags and everything are intact on the rear end. So hopefully, haven't picked it up yet, but hopefully it's as good as it looks in the pictures, and it'll work for what we're doing. So, or else it was gonna get really expensive to fix that. So if you guys are interested, I can do a parts breakdown on this build and the cost. Just leave a comment if you want that, and I can make that video. But anyways, thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.